सुंदर हिंदी लिखावट के लिए चाहिए अक्षरों की सही बनावट, सही आकार और सही अभ्यास. The golden rule for beautiful Hindi handwriting is right formation of letters, proper shapes, and perfect practice. Let us understand the structure of Hindi letters. Hindi letters have two parts. The lower part is body part and the upper part is headline or sirorekha. Body part gives the identity to the letter. Horizontal line drawn on the top of the letter is headline or sirorekha. For majority of the letters, sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. For few letters, sirorekha covers only half part of the letter. Sirorekha also connects the letters in a word. A horizontal line is drawn on top of the letters to connect the letters and group it as a word. All the letters in Hindi are written in uniform size with equal heights and aligned to equal base. Letters should never be written too big or too small. Only the matrayas are added above the letters or below the letters, but the size of the letters doesn't vary. While writing this headline, it should be always written as a straight line, never as a slanting line. Same way with standing lines. The standing line should be always written as a straight lines, never as a slanting lines. These letters are combination of different strokes. Strokes like standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines, and curved shapes. Initially, it is very important to practice these strokes to get proper shapes of letters. Handwriting improvement is completely based on practice. If you are practicing on Sundar Lekhan series of handwriting book, formation of letters are given in step by step. Follow these steps and connect the dots and trace these letters. So after tracing the letters, then practice on these empty spaces. Initially practice very slowly and focus on formation of letters with the right size and right shapes. Letter I is made in 5 steps. The first step is a curved shape. Curved shape like reverse of C. Second step is also a curved shape, little bigger than the first step. This part should go little upwards but should not go beyond this center point. So after combining the first two steps, it looks like number 3. The third step is a small sleeping line made from the center of these two parts. The fourth step is a standing line. Standing line made from top to bottom. The standing line should not be made longer or shorter. It should be exactly up to the base of the letter. The fifth step and the final step is a sirorekha. Sirorekha is made on the top of the letter. For this letter, sirorekha covers only half of the letter. It is made on this standing line. With these 5 steps, this letter is completed. Using these 5 steps, now let us practice how to write this letter. Initially practice very slowly to get proper shape of the letter. Avoid practicing letters in a casual way like this. Always practice using the right stroke order and get proper shapes of the letters. Letter I is made in 6 steps. In this letter, the first 4 steps are same like letter R. First step, second step, third step one small sleeping line, fourth step is a standing line, fifth step is also a standing line. These 2 standing lines should be of same size. Sixth step and the final step is sirorekha made on the top of the letter. For this letter, sirorekha covers only half part of the letter. Sirorekha is made on these 2 standing lines. Now we'll practice this letter using these 6 steps. The mistake in this letter is the two standing lines are not of same size. Always these two standing lines should be of same size this way. Letter E is made in 5 steps. The first step is a small standing line. Second step is a curved shape. The first 2 steps should be made within the first half of the letter. The third step is also a curved shape. So this part, the second step part is little narrower and this is little broader. In the fourth step, there is a small loop, thin loop coming downwards. This part should be in line with this curve. And finally, the fifth step. Fifth step is headline Sirorekha made on the top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha is made covering the entire part of the letter. So with the fifth step, this letter is completed. Mistakes while writing this letter. In these 2 letters, these loops are not in line with the letter. This loop should be always in line with the curved part of second step. It should be in line. It should not be made to the right side or left side. And in this letter, the first step is missing. E is made in 6 steps. In this letter, first 4 steps are same like small e. The first step is a small standing line. Second step is a curved shape. Third step is also a curved shape. Fourth step, a thin loop coming downwards. In the fifth step, a small matra is added on this letter, a hook-shaped matra. And the sixth step is Sirorekha headline made on the top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. So mistake in this letter is matra is placed wrong. Matra should be always placed on this standing line. It should be never placed to the left or to the right. Letter O is made in 3 steps. The first step is a small curved shape. Observe students, this curved shape is very small. It is not like the curve what we make for letter A. It is only up to here. And the second step is a curved shape, little bigger than the first step. And the third step is Sirorekha made on top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha is made in full. It covers the entire part of the letter. Big O is made in 4 steps. In this letter, first 2 steps are same like small o. First step is a small curve. Second step is a bigger curve. In this letter, a matra is added in the lower half of the letter. A curved shape matra coming downwards. In the fourth step, Sirorekha. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. The mistake in this letter is this matra is curved upwards. It should be always curved downwards. It should be made within the lower half of this letter. Letter Re is made in 6 steps. The first step is a standing line. Second step is a slightly curved shape ending at the standing line just above the halfway mark. The third step is a slanting line beginning from ending of this second step. The fourth step is a small loop, small rounded loop rounded loop beginning from here. And the fifth step is a curved hook shape. The sixth step, the final step, is headline Sirorekha made on top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. Letter A is made in 4 steps. The first step is a standing line. Second step is a slanting line ending with a small hook. And third step is also a standing line ending with small bend to the left side. And the fourth step and the final step is Sirorekha made on the top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers the entire part of the letter. I is made in 5 steps. In this letter, first 3 steps are same like letter A. First step is a standing line. Second step, standing line and a hook at the bottom. The third step, standing line with a small bend to the left side. Fourth step, a matra is added. A matra is added on the top of the letter and it should be placed on this standing line. The fifth step, Sirorekha. For this letter, Sirorekha completely drawn on the letter. The mistake in this letter is the matra is placed wrong. The matra should be placed on this standing line. Should be placed on the second standing line. This letter O is made in 7 steps. In this letter, the first 5 steps are same like A. The first step is a curved shape. Second step, a bigger curve. Third step, small sleeping line. Fourth step, standing line. Fifth step is also a standing line. In the sixth step, a matra is added for this letter and this matra should be placed on the second standing line. The seventh step is Sirorekha. For this letter, Sirorekha covers only half part of the letter and it should be made on these 2 standing lines. The mistake in this letter is matra is made on the first standing line. It should be made on the second standing line. Letter O is made in 8 steps. In this letter, the first 6 steps are same like letter O. First step is a curved shape. Second step, little bigger curve. Third step is a sleeping line. Fourth step and fifth step are standing lines. For this letter, there are 2 matrayas. Both the matrayas should be placed on this second standing line. Eighth step is Sirorekha. With the 8th step, this letter is completed. The Sirorekha should be placed on these 2 standing lines. The mistake in this letter is matrayas are placed wrong. Both the matrayas are placed on 2 different standing lines. Actually, both the matrayas should be placed on the second standing line. On the second standing line. Letter is made in 6 steps. In this letter, The first 4 steps are same like letter A. First step is a curved shape. Second step, little bigger curve. Third step is a small sleeping line. Fourth step is standing line. The fifth step is a dot made on top of the letter, and it should be made exactly on top of this standing line. In the sixth step, the final step, is Sirorekha made on top of the letter. And for this letter, Sirorekha covers only half part of the letter, and it should be made on this standing line. On this standing line. Letter AHA is made in 7 steps. In this letter, the first 4 steps are same like letter A. Curved shape, a bigger curved shape, a small sleeping line, fourth step is a standing line, and fifth and sixth steps are 2 dots. This fifth step, this dot should be made on the upper half, and this dot should be placed on the lower half. Seventh step, the last step, Sirorekha made on top of the letter. For this letter, Sirorekha covers only half part of the letter, and it should be made on this standing line. On this standing line. With these 7 steps, this letter is completed.